Hello and welcome to a brand new video here on the channel. Today me and Dexter tried out a new place that we had been told that it should work to turn around. It's a field or it's a field. So it looks like this. It didn't really work the way we had hoped. It's a little muddy. So what we need to do now is wait for a tractor. Oh, look at that. Yeah. No, that doesn't work. So when I came down this hill, everything looked good. This is the first place where I sunk down, and yeah, what I'm waiting for now is the trailer to come, or the tractor to come. Then we can hook it up in the trailer and pull it back down there and then go up again. So that's the plan. So stay tuned for more action. Now we have the tractor. The tractor has arrived and he's gonna put some sand out for us to to make it work. When that's done, he's gonna put a chain right there and pull me down towards the forest, and then we're gonna see if we can get up. The reason why he's backing like that is because he has sand in the scopa, or whatever that's called. So it doesn't want to have a lot of, mix that with snow. Welcome! Vad heter du?
Oskar Gustafsson.
Oskar Gustafsson! Yes. Fine young man. This should work, but I've said that before.
Jag bara drar försiktigt.
Ja, då lägg bara lite spänn så då. See if anything happens. Yep, it did. What we gotta do now is back up.
Ja, 200 passerar den där vägen där person.
Whoa. Now we are gonna pull the truck, the trailer, I mean. we're gonna let Oscar drive up and wait for me up here. If I don't make it up the hill, he can assist me. See how this goes. Yep. Sorry for the camera shake. It's my phone that I'm using. Okay, let's see how this works. If we can make it up the hill. Looks like it. No problem. Well done, Oscar. And thank you very much. That's it for this video. Everything went well in the end. Lesson learned: don't take your truck out in a field yet in Västerbotten County. It's too soft. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.